What if the irresistible force of a black hole met the uncontainable outpouring of a white hole in a cosmic collision? A fascinating question to ponder, isn't it? In the vast expanse of the cosmos, black holes are regions of space-time where gravity becomes overpowering. So intense, in fact, that nothing, not even light, can escape once it crosses the boundary known as the event horizon. This is a result of a large mass compacting space-time to such an extent that a black hole forms. But black holes aren't just cosmic traps. They also emit something known as Hawking radiation, which, over an incredibly long period, leads to their eventual evaporation. Now what about white holes? These are, in a sense, the mirror image of black holes. Hypothetical regions of space-time that are impossible to enter from the outside. Instead, matter and light can only escape from them. However, white holes are considered non-physical solutions to gravitational equations. They remain, for now, purely theoretical. But let's imagine, for a moment, a cosmic collision between a black hole and a white hole. In such a scenario, matter would likely flow from the white hole to the black hole. Yet the two wouldn't directly collide, they would maintain a certain distance from each other. The specific outcome of this collision would depend on the exact conditions, a thought-provoking concept to muse upon. Stephen Hawking, a name synonymous with black holes, proposed a compelling idea. He suggested that the time reverse of a black hole in thermal equilibrium is another black hole in thermal equilibrium. This implies that black holes and white holes could be the same object, just viewed from different temporal perspectives. So what could be the result of a collision between these two cosmic phenomena? If we consider Hawking's perspective, we would essentially be looking at a collision between two black holes. The result of this collision would be a black hole with a combined radius of the original black and white holes. However, it's crucial to remember that this scenario remains speculative. Our understanding of these mysterious cosmic phenomena is continually evolving. To sum up, the collision of a black hole and a white hole, if it were to occur, would be a spectacle of cosmic proportions. It would blur the boundaries of space-time in a way that challenges our understanding of the universe. A captivating thought, isn't it?